Hey girls, hope you all are doing well. Today I will give you some tips and tricks to stay positive and relax in this lockdown period. It's very easy to get demotivated by sitting idle at home, but I will tell you few things which you can follow to stay motivated all day long. So let's start this video and see what are the points which we can follow. Point number one, stay away from your mobile. So guys, this is a very important point. You must stay away from your mobile, because when you actually see your cell phone, then you watch Facebook, Instagram and many other YouTube videos. YouTube videos are nice because you can watch comedy videos, cooking videos and much more, but on Facebook and Instagram you will see people flaunting their things, so that can be a little demotivating. You must have noticed that when you scroll too much on your cell phone, then you feel a kind of depressed and low. So point number one is that stay away from your cell phone. Point number two, do not watch too much news, because in news you it's full of corona news. So that's why do not watch too much of it, because it causes depression only when you hear that this much numbers are dead, this much numbers of people are affected from COVID-19. So that's why do not watch a lot of news. Watch it once in a day. And when you watch series on Amazon Prime, Netflix or Z5, do not watch any kind of terrorism series, because they are equally depressing, because there are a lot of mardar in it. So that's why just avoid it. If you like it, then you can see it like once in a week or so, but do not be very regular in watching these kind of series. Rather watch some kind of positive or comedy series in that. Point number three, follow your hobbies. Like guys, this is the most free time of our life. I don't think so that in our entire life we will get that much of free time in future. So follow your hobbies. Whatever you like cooking, painting, or you like makeup, you want to learn makeup from YouTube, do that. Follow your hobbies, learn new things which you cannot because of the time crunch. And also guys, if you like dancing, then also you can watch YouTube videos to learn dancing, and there are many things to do guys. So follow your hobbies. Point number four, so guys, it's a very nice time to work on your face, your body, your skin. You need to think about making DIYs, any kind of homemade mask for your face, your skin, your body, your lips, so that your skin will glow whenever you will go out. So that's why, like, it's a very positive thing guys. When your skin is not good or you are facing any kind of skin issues, then you internally feel very low. And I'm not actually body shaming anybody, but it's obvious that if you get some pimple or you get a lot of acne marks, you feel low. But this is the best time to work on it, and I will tell you what to do. I will tell you that what DIYs and home remedies you can follow, which is suitable for all skin type. These things you can follow and take out from your kitchen. I'm sure everybody must have these things in their kitchen, so use that. I'm not asking you to purchase any expensive scrub or mask from the market, because right now everything is closed. So use that teeny tiny bits of kitchen things and apply on your face to get that like glowing, dazzling skin. So I'm sure if you will use it regularly, you will actually get benefit out of it. So let's see what are these home remedies. First of all, we will start with exfoliating our face. Exfoliation is very important for our face, because it actually removes the dead cell out of the skin and open up the pores. So whenever we apply any kind of face pack after exfoliation, it actually penetrates inside the skin. So we are going to exfoliate our face and lips as well. So for that I have this sugar from my kitchen. ये मेरे पास sugar है. I do have this honey, Patanjali ka honey, and we are going to mix these two and add some oil in it. I do have this Patanjali's almond oil with me. You can have any kind of oil you do have in your kitchen. You can use coconut oil, olive oil or almond oil, whatever you like. So I'm going to put some drops of oil in it. So I'm going to take some honey and pour it into it. 1 spoon, like half a spoon will be fine. So just pour it and mix it well. So here we go, it's our homemade exfoliation scrub. Wash my face after exfoliation. Now pat it dry. On little bit moist face, you need to apply face mask. For face mask, I do have this cucumber juice. For this, I have grated a cucumber and squeeze it to get this juice. So I cannot tilt it more, otherwise it will fall off. Then I have some milk. It's better to take raw milk here. Again, I will take this Patanjali honey and some chandan powder, this one. So if you don't have chandan powder, you can use besan, you can use multani mitti or any powder you do have in your stock. So I'm going to mix all of the 4 things and make a thick paste out of it. This face pack is going to give you a nice relaxation and open up your senses, and this is really nice face pack and herbal as well. So here I have a nice thick face pack which I'm going to apply all over my face. This gives you a nice cooling effect to your face because it has chandan, it has cucumber, so it is very nice face pack during summer as well. You can apply this face pack on your lips as well. So it's done. We have to keep it for good 10-15 minutes till the whole face pack gets dry, and then wash it off after giving a nice scrub to your face, like gently scrubbing your face. Now we have sorted for our face, our lips. What about our eyes? Because eyes are the most sensitive part of our body, so that's why it's very important to give a relaxation to our eyes as well. For that, I have this cucumber juice again. This is a very nice relaxation for your eyes. It not only gives you a calming effect to your eyes, but also a cooling effect as well. So I have 2 cotton balls. I'm going to dip this cotton ball in the cucumber juice. So I'm going to put this on my eyes like this and rest for good 15-20 minutes. You can even take a small nap as well. There is no harm in it because it is going to give you so much of relaxation that you are going to like thank me later, and definitely going to like this video for whatever I've shown it to you. So that's it. This is all you need to do for your internal relaxation as well as your face and your body relaxation. So guys, I'm going to get relaxed for good 20 minutes. Until then, you guys enjoy the video. Point number 5. In the 5th point, I will suggest you to stay healthy and also eat healthy. So these days I am noticing on Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp that most of the people are trying out different cuisine, which is very nice, but they are equally unhealthy. So guys, if you've seen that people are making chola bhaturas, people are making like Manchurian, fried rice, Chinese, like all these kind of stuff. So like it's good to try it out different cuisine and serve it to your family, but on a daily basis it is not good. Reason being because it is totally unhealthy. So if you are trying out healthy things like healthy salads, healthy sprouts things, then it is very nice. It is going to give you internal glow and internal health in the long run. But if you are trying out these kind of oily foods on a daily basis, then in future you will get side effects of that as well. So that's all I want to say to you guys, and I feel that personally when I follow these kind of tips and tricks, I feel very positive and relaxed from inside. So if you like this video and this video is helpful to you, then please give this video a big thumb and also subscribe to my channel so that you can see much more content like this in future. Also follow me on Instagram, because on Instagram I'm very punctual and regular. So I post daily on Instagram. So my Instagram handle is vlog with Rubal. I will mention it out here. So see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home. Bye bye.